In this lesson, we are going to learn how to enter data for group data into calculator, then find mean and standard deviation through calculator. Following is the marks for 400 matriculation students in their first semester examination. Estimate the mean, median, and standard deviation for the above sample by calculating Pearson coefficient of skewness. State the type of distribution for the above data. First of all, let's form a frequency table. First column consists of students' marks. Second column consists of number of students or frequency. Third column is the midpoint for each class interval. How to find the midpoint? For example, the first class interval, the midpoint is 0 plus 9. 0 is the lower limit, 9 is the upper limit, divided by 2 is equals to 4.5. This is 4.5. The second class interval, we use the lower limit, 10 plus 19 divided by 2 is equals to 14.5. The third class interval, the midpoint is 20 plus 29 over 2 is equals to 24.5. Carry on this process until we find all the midpoint for this frequency table. Now, we are ready to enter the midpoint and number of students into calculator. Let's start with calculator FX570EX. Menu setup. Move down the key until you see 6 statistics appear on the screen. Press 6. Choose one variable. Press 1. Now we're going to create another column for frequency. Go to Shift, Menu Setup, move down the key, press 3 for statistics. On the frequency, press 1. Now enter the midpoint. Start with 4.5 equals to 14.5 equals. Carry on this process until we finish all the midpoint. We have entered all the midpoint. Now move to frequency column. Start with 44 students, 56 students, 64 students, and carry on until we complete all the frequency. Now we have already entered all the data. After that, press All Clear, AC, press Option, press 2. Then we can see the important result appear on the screen. Let's go through one by one. The first one is the X bar is mean equals to 35.3. Sum of X is referred to sum of Fx is equals to 14120. Sum of X squared is referred to sum of Fx squared is equals to 659,780. To find its standard deviation, move down the key. The first row, Sx, refer to standard deviation for sample, is 20.109. The total number of students N is equals to 400. The minimum value for the midpoint is 4.5. Q1 is the first quartile, 19.5. Median, 34.5. And third quartiles is equals to 44.5. Now, jot down all the important results. To find the mean, substitute sum of Fx, which is equal to 14120, divide by total number of students 400 is equals to 35.3. For standard deviation, square root of, substitute sum of fx squared as 659,780 minus sum of fx, that is 14120 squared. Sum of total number of students, sum of f is 400. Divide by 400 minus 1 is equals to 20.109. To find its median, first we determine the class median. We use the total number of students, 400 divided by 2 is 200. That means the median is at the 200th position of the data. Where is the median? So find its cumulative frequency, 44. 44 plus 56 is 100. 100 plus 64 is 164. 164 plus 78 is equals to 242. This is already more than 200. Therefore, this is the class median. Its lower boundaries is equals to 29 plus 30 over 2, that is 29.5, and its upper boundaries is equal to 39 plus 40 over 2, that is 39.5. Now the lower boundary for class median is 29.5, is equals to 29.5 plus 1 over 2 times 400, and is 400, minus f. This f is the total frequency before the class median. Before the class median, the total frequency is 164. Divide by class median frequency. Class median frequency in this case is 78. And then C is the class width. C is equals to upper boundaries minus lower boundaries, is equals to 39.5 minus 29.5 is equals to 10. So times 10. The result is equals to 34.5. Now we carry on to find its skewness. It's 3 times mean minus median divided by standard deviation. So 3 mean is 35.3. 35.3 minus median 34.5 divide by its standard deviation, where is equals to 20.109 is equals to 0.119 is equals to 0.119. How about the distribution of the data? Since the skewness is a positive value, then we can say the data is skewed to the right. Let us try another model of calculator, FX570ES. First of all, go to Mode Setup. 3 is the option for statistic. Press 3. 1 variable. Now we're going to create another column for frequency. go to Shift Mode Setup, press down the key, choose 4 statistic, choose 1 to on the frequency. Now enter all the midpoints, start with 4.5, 14.5, 24.5, and so on. After finish the data entry process, press AC or clear. Go to Shift 1. We are going to check the total number of students that we have already entered. Go to 4. Press 1 for N1. Press equal is 400. Next, the sum of fx. Go to Shift 1 again. Check 3 sum. Press 3. For sum of fx is option 2. Press 2. Is equals to 14120. Shift 1 again to check sum of fx squared. Press 3. For sum of fx squared, press 1. Is equal to 659780. Go to Shift 1 again. Now we are going to check the mean and standard deviation. Go to 4. For mean, press 2 equals to 35.3. For standard deviation, Shift 1 again, press 4. Standard deviation, choose option 4. Press equal, it is 20.109.